Well, fancy seeing you here, girl. It is the next video, and I'm wearing the same thing that I had on the last video because I just made the last video. I'm gonna be doing a quick unboxing of this bag. This is a bag by Telfar Global. I always want to say Teflar, but it's not Teflar, it's Telfar. And I had seen this bag online for a while. I've been wanting this bag for a minute, and my friend got it for me as a graduation present. So shout out to Taylor. Taylor's one of my, one of my best friends. She's extremely smart. She has a 4.0, just graduated with a 4.0 and a full-time job offer. I stand. It's gonna be a little unboxing or whatever. Oh my God. I love bags. So when you take it out, it looks like this. It comes in this packaging. It says, to avoid danger of suffocation, keep the, girl, whatever. So then, you take it out of there, and it's in like this canvas, or not canvas, I'm not sure what this is. This is like, almost like felt. It smells like Payless shoe store. The bag is vegan leather for all the PETA girls. I don't mind the leather bag, okay? An actual leather bag. But it is vegan leather, so we're trying to be, sustainable or whatever. Wait, what? I was off key, girl. Oh my God. Best friend, if you're watching this, girl, I love you so much. This is a 13-inch bag, so, I don't even think I can fit my MacBook in here. Let me see. To give you a frame of reference, this is my MacBook, and this is the bag. There is a bigger one, but I feel like this is a good size. You know what I'm saying? Like if you're on the go and stuff. So the strap is, I think, 19 inches, or maybe it's not. I don't know. And then, yeah. So this is the back. This is the front. It's a good material. I can tell that it is vegan leather. I can tell that it's not actual leather. It looks pretty well constructed for a vegan leather bag compared to like the actual leather bags that I have. Now I don't know like the brand history on Telfar, but I do know in terms of like their representation and inclusivity, they're extremely diverse with their models and everything. Definitely their brand on Instagram is very like out of the box and kind of I guess just very progressive in terms of like androgyny and how it is exemplified through the collection, because a lot of the stuff on their website, it says what do you call it, like unisex. And so, and y'all know everything I wear is unisex, okay? So the bag is unisex. It looks like a purse, but it's a unisex bag. Inside, it has a magnetic clip like that, old school like your mama's bags, right? And you look inside, it has a little Telfar tag right there. And it has a little tag. It says Telfar. I hope I'm saying that right. Yeah, I love it. I absolutely love it. This is how it looks on the side. And I think it's like extremely cute. I think it's so different that it has two long straps, but I kind of like that. But I can see how like one could fall off and that could become annoying. But either way, it's really cute, and it goes with my outfit today. I got the black one where I told her I wanted the black one because it goes with everything. But there also is a brown one, which is also really cute. You will be seeing a lot of this bag, so don't try to read me. Y'all don't be trying to read me on like Instagram if you see this bag in every single picture, because if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen the other black bag, the zip one that I literally carry everywhere. And I got that like last year. I got that over a year ago when I was in London, and that bag is held up well. Like I've taken that bag on trips out the country, all over the place. And that bag is also a vegan leather bag, and it's held up extremely well, but it is starting to wear because I've literally carried it so much. So it is time for a newer, a newer everyday bag. And I'll probably rotate this one in and out. And I'm gonna rotate this one in and out because it's not big enough for my laptop. So, there's only so much that I'll be doing, with it. But it's still an extremely cute bag, and I'm so grateful for it. So I will link in the bottom in the description their website where you can purchase the bag if you're interested. So excited to wear this, okay, and smack people with it. Get off me, sir. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at ToneClassic and Twitter at ToneClassic, and check out my fashion lifestyle blog, www.toneclassic.org. I will see you all in the next video.